Are you ready for the ultimate combination of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology? The 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan is here, and it's setting new standards in the compact sedan category. With its sleek design, premium interior, and advanced features, Mazda continues to impress with the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan, delivering a perfect blend of sophistication and performance. The exterior boasts a refined, aerodynamic design that enhances both style and efficiency, making it stand out on the road. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed by a luxurious, driver-focused cabin crafted with premium materials, offering comfort and elegance at every turn. Mazda has also taken technology to the next level with its latest infotainment system, keeping you connected and entertained on every drive. But that's not all. The 2025 Mazda 3 is engineered with advanced safety features, ensuring peace of mind no matter where your journey takes you. And under the hood, Mazda's renowned Skyactiv engine technology, delivering an exhilarating yet fuel-efficient performance. Whether you're commuting in the city or hitting the open road, this sedan offers a thrilling yet smooth driving experience. Known for its agile handling and exceptional value, the Mazda 3 remains a top choice for drivers who crave both style and substance. With its impressive upgrades and unwavering commitment to quality, it's clear why this sedan continues to be a favorite in its class. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mazda 3X sedan? Is it the perfect blend of innovation and style? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Release TV for the latest updates on new car models. Stay tuned for more exciting car reveals.